I'd like to talk for a short time about using your own fonts in web pages. One of the problems you can come up against when designing web pages is that, generally speaking, you don't know for sure which fonts the user will have on their system. So if you want to use fancy fonts, or your own font files, such as different fonts here, like you can see here, you have to make use of some extra library code, and there are generally three options available, with the later @FontFace being the preferred solution, provided your browser supports the @FontFace web font standard. Prior to this standardization, you could use services such as Cipher and Kufon. Kufon is actually a solution that can dynamically generate fonts using whatever technology the browser supports. As you can see here, the fonts are actually uploaded as files, and then depending on which technology the older browser supports, it will either use a scalable vector graphic or VML path for Internet Explorer. Cipher Generator is a similar thing that uses a Flash animation. The problem with both of these is that they are what are known as text replacement solutions. So you need to employ some kind of technique such that the text is moved off the screen so that people using screen readers can still read the title, for example. The preferred modern solution is to use a service such as Google Fonts, which allows you to embed fonts using the Google Content Delivery Network. And you simply go to the page and it will select the font you want, and it generates code which you can embed in your web page. And then you use fonts as you would any other font which is already installed by default. This is the preferred solution and is widely supported by all modern browsers. However, I should point out that downloading fonts can have an effect on page download time. Obviously, using the Google Fonts Content Delivery Network increases the chance that the font file will already be in the user's cache. That's about it. I just thought it would be fun just to do a quick overview. I hope this has been helpful.